Learning with Grace, a homeschool tutorial for students with learning differences. Who are we? We are a 2-day-a-week homeschool tutorial program for students attending 1st through 8th grade. We support our students' education through a variety of course offerings, which include PE, music and art, math and science, history, and language arts. What student support is offered? To support our students with various learning needs, we offer group therapy in reading and math. However, more personalized assistance will be available when it best benefits students and their families. Learning with Grace tutorial exists as a ministry of Grace Independent Baptist Church in Crownsville, Maryland, with the mission of supporting local homeschool families, providing extra help for the student who has learning differences, giving them the confidence and tools they need to accomplish all that God is calling them to do. Visit us today to learn more about all that we offer at Learning with Grace tutorial. Click on the link above or head over to learningwithgrace.org.